a dire situation in San Joaquin County. Today, a second federal medical team arrived to help with the hospital staffing shortages there. A surge in coronavirus cases has pushed the county's ICUs over the limit.
And that second team may be the only help they get. CBS 13's Anna Giles is live in Lodi with the alarming situation, Anna.
Yeah, guys, this is an urgent problem that the county is trying to get a handle on. They tell me help from the federal government was lucky, and there's no backup from the state. All 7 hospitals in San Joaquin County battle overload in the ICU. There's not enough doctors and nurses to treat a surge of people coming in. More than half have COVID-19.
Anyone who needs an ICU bed might not be able to find one here.
San Joaquin County Health Officer Dr. Maggie Park says local hospitals are treading water amid this surge as long as the situation doesn't get worse.
Even if we can expand the number of beds and we have the ventilators on hand, we don't have enough staffing in our hospitals to really surge much more than we're at right now.
That's why the county requested help from the feds. The Department of Defense has deployed 2 medical teams, one to Lodi Memorial Hospital and the other to Dameron Hospital in Stockton. But Dr. Park expects that to be it.
It was lucky.
And asking the state for help was avoided altogether. Months ago, Governor Newsom created the California Health Corps. He touted it as a breakthrough tool during possible hospital staff shortages and said that tens of thousands of people had signed on.
Having the physical assets in place already and having this work group that we're still vetting will provide an incredibly important resource for us if that personnel is needed.
It was needed this week in San Joaquin County. However, the program has failed to attract enough doctors and nurses with the proper credentials. According to data obtained by the Associated Press, just 5% of those who initially volunteered were approved to participate.
I think the mission and the purpose was great, but I did hear that many people who signed up were not actually licensed as physicians or nurses.
Yeah, we did reach out to the governor's office to talk about this situation today, but we never heard back from them. Now, something Dr. Park wants people to know is that she says don't be afraid to come to the emergency room if you need help. They will be able to help you here in San Joaquin County.
Okay, good to know. Anna Giles reporting live for us. Thank you, Anna.